Okay, today we're going to do two-step word problems. Two-step word problems. Using multiplication and division. Okay, let's say that you sell 8 candy bars. Okay, 8 candy bars. And each of the candy bars are worth $2. Okay, and after you're done, you want to split the money you made between your 4 friends. 4 friends. Okay. How much, if you want to split it evenly among the 4 friends, how much money would each friend get? Okay. Well, to figure this out, we first need to find the total amount of money we made. We can't divide, we can't find out how much money we should give each friend if we don't know how much money we made. So we sold 8 bars, and each bar is worth $2. So that's $2 for every bar, or it's $2 8 times. That's $2 8 times. So that'd be 2 times 8. To figure that out, it would be 2 times 8, and 2 times 8 is just 2 8 times, or 8 2 times. 8 plus 8 is 16. So we know the total we made. Now we need to find how much each friend would get, which would be, we had 16 balls, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Pretend these are all of the dollars. That would mean splitting up these evenly. Splitting up this evenly between your 4 friends, which would be just division. And one of the ways we can do division is just by subtracting the amount we're going to divide by, which is 4. We're going to divide the 16 by 4 to find out how much each person would get. So we can go 1, 2, 3, 4 by using repeated subtraction. Yeah, that's 1. The time we subtracted 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the second time we subtracted 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So it took 4 times to subtract 4 to get to 0 with 16. So that means that each friend, so that means that 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. And you can see this because if we group them up by 4s, they group up, pretend this is one group. They group up evenly. Each group has 4 things, $4. So each friend would get $4. Okay, now let's say in another problem you have 9 baskets of apples, and each basket has 2 apples. Okay, 9 baskets of apples, and each basket has 2 apples. Okay, 2 apples. That's going to be an apple. And you want to share them between your 6 friends. You have 6 friends, and how much can each friend get if you split it evenly? Well, again, like this, we need to find out how many apples we have before we find out how many we can give to our friends. Okay, well, how many apples do we have? We have 9 baskets, and we have 2 in each basket. So that'd be 2 apples 9 times, or 2 times 9. 2 times 9 is just 9 plus 9, which is 18. Okay, so we know how many apples we have. Now, how do we find out how many friends, how many apples we can give to each friend? Well, we just divide it by how many friends we have, right? We're going to group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. These 18 apples into 6 even groups. And we can do that by dividing, and we can divide by using subtraction, by repeated subtraction. We subtract 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 1 time we subtracted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 2 times we subtracted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 3 times we subtracted. And we have no more to subtract from. So that means that 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. To 3. Okay? So that means we can give each of our friends 3 apples. So, good job! Yes, we did it. Sounds cool.